What do we have here? We've got ourselves a nice drill attachment wooden lathe. I'm going to be putting it together and giving it a spin. Welcome to Dim Tips, the channel that repairs, revives and restores. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like the content, and let's get started. So my dad actually got this. He was clearing out his garage and he found that he had this and he used it once or twice, and he just gifted it to me. So looking forward to it. Got myself a drill, which is one that's actually adjustable. It's got a speed adjustable button on it, which is great. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Straight off the bat, we've got quite a few pieces in here. I guess there's some attachments in there. Looks like we've got some kind of table. Oh, these are sanding discs, don't need that right now. Instructions, may give that a little whirl. And then the actual, taking this out, the actual lathe, which is all an aluminium base. I'm struggling with it. It's good. It's got a spike on one side, which is nice to hold on to the piece, and then it's got the actual unit which you can actually slide and adjust, so it should be fairly simple to put together. Okay, so I've got all the pieces out. The first thing is I've just unscrewed the tool rest, and so that I can move that out and adjust it as I need. It's also got the actual locking nut for the tool rest, so that just goes in there, and it looks like it's got a screw which then allows it to just tighten and for me to adjust the actual tool rest and tighten as I see fit, which is quite nice. Yeah, it's nice and tight. I've also got the adjustable headstock to support a 43mm drill head. So that just goes in there, and then it looks like this adjustable screw is what allows you to move the drill head up and down. So I'm just gonna pop that in there, make sure the adjustable mount is in there, and then make sure that it's screwed. They do give you a spanner. I did have some, but it's good enough to just tighten up, which is nice. Takes care of that. Next thing is to get the tool rest sorted. Seems nice and easy. Just wind that in. So it looks like it comes with a sanding table. So this is a sanding table, and also the tool rest itself. So I'm guessing I can adjust it as I see fit. If I want it closer to the piece, which is probably likely to be there, I can be as close as I need to be to the piece as I'm actually working with it. And these are effectively just for the drill itself. So I've got a 4-spurn center which can be used. So it looks like this thing here, which is a chuck drive adapter, can be placed against this face sanding plate. So as you're drilling, you can also, well, as a drill spinning, you can actually sand a workpiece, or actually hold on to it. You could probably clamp it in as well, which isn't too bad. But I guess I'm probably going to end up using the 4-spoke centering piece the most. And this I need to work out. It's a null screw center with hex lock. So it looks like you can lock it. Again, it must be to hold on to the piece, but it's got to be for particular pieces. So I'm going to find out what that's actually used for. You can screw it in nice and tight. It seems to be good enough. And no, it's actually quite nice. They actually give you screws to actually secure the base to, which will be quite good. So I'm just going to get the drill and just quite a bit on there. I'm probably going to start with smaller pieces because it's all going to be fairly new to me, so it's going to be a bit of fun working with a lathe. I'll make it a lot smaller and bring the drill across. Okay, just going to add the head of the drill in. I'm going to support it because although I could probably take it, rather than the drill moving left to right, just got something to support it. And I think this Allen key will work. Should get a nice tight fit. Yeah, that's good. I think I'm good. Yeah, happy with that. So I guess the next thing is just to mount it to my workbench, which I created earlier. So let's move it across. Got it up and running. You don't really have too much adjustment to move the actual holding piece, but now it's nice and it's fixated anyway, and just running it. Okay, well hopefully next video I'll show you how I get along with this. Never done it before, so should be fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch any of my other videos. Thanks, bye.